Eccolo.
Eccolo.
La go.
He's not gonna wait for his wife.
Yeah.
Oh, are there someone standing in front of her?
Che hanno il film. Aquí, Camilo. Ahí, Camilo.
Where is he walking?
Lei non cammina.
He walked to the building where he's driven. Yes, he's not in the building. So he's going in the building. Wow, we just have a screen and strong concept, yeah? Five years. Oh, she has that inside. Maybe I should walk inside. I think obviously not now, but I felt like people are allowed to walk on the ground, not just, people are not allowed to go inside the palace when the king was there, but I thought you were still allowed to walk on the ground. Obviously too much place you're not allowed right now, but maybe when we come down, we can see if it's possible to like just look at the building.
Questo viene di qua sicuro.
Camilla.